If you're seeing the GOG Error E8, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step and get your game downloading or updating again without the launcher getting in the way. This error is usually caused by not having enough free space on your game drive or your Windows C drive, and in some cases, GOG Galaxy is simply trying to unpack files to the wrong location. The good news is, this is usually a storage and settings issue, not a permanent problem with your account or your game. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to clear the error and continue your install. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. First, let's talk about the most common cause. Large games can need a lot more free space than people expect. For example, games like Cyberpunk 2077 can require nearly double the size of the installation files while they're unpacking patches or applying updates. That means even if your target game drive has some free space, your Windows C drive can still become the bottleneck if the temporary files are being written there. So before changing anything in the app, go ahead and clear space on both your target game drive and your C drive. Delete temporary files you no longer need, empty the recycle bin, remove all downloads, and if possible, move large folders like videos or installers to another drive. The goal here is to give Windows and GOG enough room to breathe during the installation process. Once you've done that, the next step is to prevent your system drive from choking on temporary files. Open GOG Galaxy, and in the top left corner, click the gear icon. This will take you into the main settings area. From there, go to Settings, then choose Installing. Updating. This is where GOG controls download behavior, installation paths, and the temporary folder used during updates. Now look for the temporary game update folder configuration. By default, this may be set to your C drive, which is often where users run into the E8 space error. If your C drive is small or already crowded, change this destination to a larger secondary hard drive or SSD. This simple change can make a huge difference because it moves the temporary unpacking process away from your system partition and onto a drive with more room. After selecting the new location, save the setting and then try your download or update again. In many cases, that alone will fix the GOG Error E8. If the launcher still keeps throwing space errors after that, there's one more reliable workaround. Bypass the launcher completely. This is especially useful when GOG Galaxy is stuck, misreading available space, or refusing to continue even after you've cleared storage. To do this, log into your profile on the GOG account page using your browser. Once you're signed in, find the game you want to install, click on it, and select Download Offline Backup Game Installers. These are standalone installer packages that don't depend on Galaxy to manage the installation in the same way. Download the files, then run the setup directly from your computer. This method is often much more stable when the launcher is causing problems, and it lets you complete the install without waiting on GOG Galaxy to cooperate. So, to recap, the best fix for GOG Error E8 is to clear space on both your game drive and your C drive, move the temporary update folder to a larger secondary drive in GOG Galaxy settings, and if needed, use the offline backup installers from your GOG account page. Those 3 steps solve the vast majority of space-related E8 errors. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more fixes like this, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific GOG error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.